What's going on, guys? So out here with the truck, obviously I'm sure you've seen by the title or thumbnail or something that I'm talking about redoing the truck. So here's my thoughts. I want to make this video. I didn't want to like not talk about it and then just do it. I don't know, I figured I'd make a video, get y'all involved with it and whatnot. So let's talk about it. So as it sits right now, I absolutely do love the truck. However, there is a couple things that I have issue with, one being the rock chips, which I'm going to make a video explaining, showing and everything, the rock chips on the truck. But it is getting annoying seeing every time I wash the truck, seeing new rock chips and stuff on it from the tires slinging up rocks. So here's my idea, hear me out. I've been thinking about it. It has a 3-inch on the front and no blocks in the back. So what I've been thinking about doing was got some sirens and got the dogs howling in the background. So anyways, I've been thinking about doing going down to a 2-inch in the front and potentially the drop shackles in the back, and then maybe putting the rear block back in depending on how low it sits. The drop bracket is a 1 to 2 inch, so I have that adjustability. I don't want it too low, but the main reason on that is I've been throwing around the idea of selling the ballistics and the Turos and getting a set of American Force 22x12 and either Nitto 420s or the Proxies. And like I said, one big reasoning behind that is to eliminate the rocks being thrown up and beating my truck up. I do know it's a truck. I've accepted that long ago. My last truck, the Tacoma, it had 3,000 million bajillion rock chips all down it, but it was not nearly as nice of a truck as this. So it kind of pains me a little bit when my 2018, I'm washing it and I see new rock chips and stuff. It kind of hurts. So that was kind of the idea of going for the whole street truck look. I guess maybe that's what you would call it. So obviously I wouldn't want it a 3-inch in the front still, because it's a smaller tire. It would be like a 31.5, 32 inch tall tire, 12 wide on a 22x12 wheel. So that's my thought on this. And yes, like I said, I would be getting chrome, so we would have to change some stuff. I definitely would probably ditch the black tail lights. There's a ton of things I want to get color matched white. I'm going to do that. This would be kind of in the process, and this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. This is just me throwing out the idea of a future thing for the truck. Definitely several things color matched white, and then like the tail lights, definitely they would have to be color matched white, because they would look just weird being black with chrome wheels. But I think if I did all white on all the stuff that's black right now, not everything, but like the bow tie and the tail lights, third brake light, and potentially get the headlights done with the clear or black in them, I think that would look super good and tie in with the whole chrome theme. But that's what I'm thinking. So it hurts me, because like when I walked out of work today, I was looking at the tires and I was like, wow, those look freaking awesome. I freaking love mud tires, and I've never had a street tire on a truck, nor ever wanted one with street tires. But I'd never in the world thought I'd want 22x12s if you asked me that 5-10 years ago either. So things change, you got to try new things. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking. Definitely comment down below, let me know what you think about that. I think it would be absolutely sick, but it would be a similar stance to what I have now. The truck would just be a little bit lower, so the Nittos or the Proxies wouldn't look too small on the truck, because I think if I put them on there now, they would just look too small. It would look awkward. I don't like that little tire look, not necessarily the sidewall height, but just the overall dimensions of the tire compared to the truck. And I would stay with a 22x12, tossed around the idea of 24x12, but I just don't think that's enough rubber for me. And also tossed around, another guy, that GMC on Instagram, was selling his 22x14s with some stretched Proxies on it. Thought about picking them up, but they were a little bit too much stretched tire after I got to thinking about it, and I don't really like that much stretched tire. So that's kind of what I'm at, and I just want to make this video. I'm already 6 minutes in, so y'all comment down below, let me know what you think. should I just leave it? I've already got some upper control arms coming, so those are a must. There'll be a separate video on them, and I'll have them either way, no matter what suspension. But y'all comment down below. Let me know, would you like to see this in my street truck out attire or whatever, you know, however you want to say that? Or would you like to just leave it as is and just do all the whiteout stuff and everything as is? But that's all for this video. Y'all let me know what you think. I'll see y'all later.